Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Safia here. I hope you all are doing well. So I have put together the bundles for my month of August, and I would also like to say that these are not from saris, they are only fabrics, and they are also not from any clothes or garments, I mean worn clothes. So these are just fabric pieces, and the bundles are similar but yet different. Each bundle is different. They are similar in the number of fabrics that I have put inside, and they are similar in the materials, but the color, the embroidery may be different in each bundle. So I have A, B, C, and D, four types of different bundles, from the larger ones to the smaller ones, and this is the large bundle. So the appliques that I have put in each bundles are same. The dangles, the bead dangles, the number of dangles will be the same, but the color may be the same, but the some of the beads may be different in each bundle. And what else? Okay, and the ribbons that I have tied the bundles with are just some scrap ribbons. I'm sorry, scrap ribbons. So if you would like to use them, it's okay. Otherwise, they are just some gold ribbons. So that's all, and I will open the A bundle and show you. So I'll be right back. So these are the trims and appliques. So we have some small appliques that are in the shapes of flowers. Then we have some medium sized flowers. Then we have large appliques, and the other some medium sized appliques. So I will show them on this white cardstock so you get an idea. So we will start with the small flowers first.
108 मेगापिक्सल कैमरा और सुपर एमोलेड डिस्प्ले के साथ बना है द रेवोल्यूशनरी Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, ताकि सबको सब करने मिले।
I'm sorry for the ads that are popping up during the music, because I am playing the music on the other phone. And as you know, YouTube has a lot of ads which come suddenly, they just pop up. So I'm really sorry for that. Okay, so let's continue. I am trying to keep the fabrics facing to the window so you can get an idea of the color. Okay, so now we come to the last piece. This is the fabric that the bundle will be wrapped, and it has these butterflies and it's 2-time folded over. So I hope you enjoyed watching this bundle as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you all. So you see all these fabrics that are going to be, and these are all basically thick brocade fabrics, and then we have our trims and appliques and dangles, and this was our bundle A, and now I will show you bundle B. I will show you the other bundles in the next video, because I think this has already become quite a long one. So I will show two bundles in the next videos, so that you don't have to watch a very long video. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.